Hello, hi everyone. I'm your Bachchu sir. Now I'm going to share with you yes no type questions in English. Dear students, yes no type questions means yes no type ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು. Got it? What's meant by yes no type questions? Yes no type questions are the questions which begin with helping verbs and end with a question mark. You simply say one very short definition. A question which begin with a helping verb and ends with a question mark is known as a yes no type question. You know that all the helping verbs are called non-lexical verbs in English. There are two types of verbs, lexical verbs and non-lexical verbs. All the helping verbs are called whether lexical or non-lexical. Non-lexical verbs. Then what are the non-lexical verbs or helping verbs? Please see here. Am, is, are, was, were, do, does, did, have, has, had, shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must, used to, ought to, need, dare. These are called non-lexical verbs or helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. Got it? Then let's come to yes no type questions. How to frame yes no type question and what are the kinds of yes no type questions? Whenever you are going to frame an yes no type question, you have to keep in mind one thing, helping verb and at last question mark. Got it? See here, I would like to take one simple example. The example is you are learning to speak English. What is this? This is a simple statement, assertive sentence. ಹೌದಾ? ಸಾದಾ ವಾಕ್ಯ ಇದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಯು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್? ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಆರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಎಸ್ ನೋ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಸೀದಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಅಂತ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಮೇನ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಲೆಕ್ಸಿಕಲ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ 3 ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 1 2 3 ವಾಕ್ಯ 1 2 3 ಆರ್ಡರ್ನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅಸರ್ಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಅಸರ್ಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. Statements may be either positive or negative. You know it. Okay. Now we are going to discuss yes no type question. Yes no type question ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು? This is very easy. 1 2 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅಸರ್ಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಎಸ್ ನೋ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ 2 1 ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇದನ್ನು 2 1 2 ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ತರೋದು, 1 ಆಮೇಲೆ ತರೋದು. ಇವು ಆರ್ ಅದ. ಎಸ್ ನೋ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ತಂದಾಗ ಆರ್ ಯು ಮಾಡೋದು. ಯು ಆರ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅದ. ಎಸ್ ನೋ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆರ್ ಯು ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಆರ್ ಯು ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಸ್ ನೋ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಎಸ್ ನೋ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ positive. Positive yes no type question it is. Positive yes no type question is called affirmative interrogative sentence or positive yes no type question. Clear? And for positive yes no type question there are 2 ways to answer. What are they? Say here. Yes, I am. Are you learning to speak English? Yes, I am. If you want to give negative answer, no, I am not. This is the way. Clear? ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಎಸ್ ನೋ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸೇಮ್ 1 2 ಇರ್ತದೆ 2 1 ಮಾಡೋದು 2ಗೆ ಎನ್ ಟಿ ಹಚ್ಚೋದು ಎನ್ ಟಿ ಅಪಾಸ್ಟ್ರಫಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಪಾಸ್ಟ್ರಫಿ ಟಿ ಎನ್ ಅಪಾಸ್ಟ್ರಫಿ ಟಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ದೆನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಎನ್ ಅಪಾಸ್ಟ್ರಫಿ ಟಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಎಸ್ ನೋ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ತಂದ್ರಿ ಎನ್ ಟಿ ಹಚ್ಚಿದ್ರಿ ಆರಂಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ ಆರಂಟ್ ಯು ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಎಸ್ ನೋ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ or negative interrogative sentence. NIS, AIS and NIS are nothing but yes no type questions. Clear? Ha. Aren't you learning to speak English? This is negative yes no type question. For a negative yes no type question, how to answer? This is negative yes no type question. To deny this statement, to deny this question, you have to say, but I am. But I am. If you want to disagree. If you want to agree the negative question, if you want to agree with the negative yes no type question, then you have to say, no, I am not. No, I am not. You can't say, no, I am. Yes, I am not. No, this is wrong. Right? No, I am not. It means you agreed with the negative statement. But I am, if you say you disagreed with negative yes no type question. Clear? Yes. One more thing you have to keep in mind. If the helping verb is available in the sentence, ವಾಕ್ಯದೊಳಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಅಂತೇಳಿ 1 2 3 ಹಿಂಗೆ ಗುರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋದು. 1 2 3 ಅಸರ್ಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. 2 1 3 ಎಸ್ ನೋ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಕಮಾನ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದ ರಿವರ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಎಸ್ ನೋ ಟೈಪ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಗೆಸ್? ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು 2 1 ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ. You can you? Yes. Can you swim across the river? Can you swim across the river? This is positive yes no type question. Can you change the sentence into negative yes no type question? Same. Can ಹೊರಗೆ ತಂದ್ರಿ ಎನ್ ಟಿ ಹಚ್ಚ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? can't you swim across the river? Again, while giving answer, same mode you have to use. Got it? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Okay? Then here some typical sentences are there in English where you don't see helping verb. ಅವಾಗ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು? The question. For example, they play to defeat you. They play to defeat you. ಅವರು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸೋಲಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ. ರೈಟ್? ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇ ಈಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1. ಪ್ಲೇ ಲೆಕ್ಸಿಕಲ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಅದ, ಇದನ್ನು ನಂಬರ್ 3 ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಪ್ಲೇ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅದ? ಅರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅದ. ಟು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಪ, ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅದ. ನಂಬರ್ 3 ಟು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಡು. ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಟು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಡು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ 2 1 ಮಾಡಿರಿ. 2 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡೂ ಹಿಯರ್. ಡೂ ದೇ? ಕಮ್ ಆನ್. ಡೂ ದೇ ಪ್ಲೇ? ಡೂ ದೇ ಪ್ಲೇ ಟು ಡಿಫೀಟ್ ಯು? ಡೂ ದೇ ಪ್ಲೇ ಟು ಡಿಫೀಟ್ ಯು? ಎಸ್, ದೇ ಡೂ. ನೋ, they don't. Got it? Come on. Next example. He plays to win the match. He is number 1, as you know it. Plays, lexical verb. Number 3. What is number 2? Is not seen. ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಟು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇವಾಗ? 3 ನೋಡಬೇಕು. 3 ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅದ. 3 ಈಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಡಸ್. ಕಮಾನ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಸ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ತರೋದು ಅವಾಗ. ಡಸ್. 2 ಈಸ್ ಡಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 1? ಹಿ. ಡಸ್ ಹಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಸ್ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲೇಜ್ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡಸ್ ಹಿ ಪ್ಲೇ? ಡಸ್ ಹಿ ಪ್ಲೇ ಟು ವಿನ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್? ಎಸ್, he does. No, he doesn't. Will be the answer. Next, she played for the cup. She played for the cup. Here, she is number 1. Number 2 is not seen. Played is number 3. Lexical verb. It is in PF, past form. Subject plus 3 past formal ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ 2 did. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದ, 2 will be did. It comes before the subject. What happens? Did. Did she? Did she play for the cup? At last, question mark. Did she play for the cup? Did she play for the cup? Yes. She did. No, she didn't. Got it? Please remember how to frame question. While framing yes no type question, you have to look at the helping verb first of all and the subject. Subject is 1, helping verb is 2. 1 2 means affirmative sentence, assertive sentence. 2 1 means yes no type question. It is clear. Is it clear? You understand? Do you understand? You know? Do you know? You have done homework. Have you done your homework? It is clear? Is it clear? Okay. You are okay. Are you okay? Like this, you have to frame yes no type question. Please remember how to frame answers for yes no type question. There are 2 ways. If you want to give positive answer for yes no type question, you know that initially yes or yeah plus pronoun plus helping verb. Are you a student? Yes, I am. Or yeah, I am. Are you a teacher? Yes, I am. Or yeah, I am. If you are not a teacher, then no pronoun helping verb not. No, I am not. No, I am not, sir. Okay? For a negative yes no type question, aren't you a teacher? No, I am not. If you are not a teacher. Okay? If you are a teacher, but I am. But I am should be used as an answer for negative yes no type question while you are giving positive answer. Got it? If you are going to disagree the yes no, negative yes no type question. And one more important thing you have to keep in mind while giving answers to yes no type question. If question consists of I or we as subject, in answer your subject will be you. Am I a teacher? Then you answer yes you are. Are you a student? You answer yes I am. Okay? Then is my surname? Is my surname? Or am I? You can say. What is my surname? What is my surname? If I ask you, then you answer, sir, your surname is Mr. Barchi. Right? My or our will become your. This is what we have to keep in mind. If question consists of my or our, in answer you have to use your. What is your surname? If somebody asks you, your answer will be my surname or our surname. Got it? I hope these ideas will definitely help you. Dear students, thank you very much for watching this video till the end. I hope this video has helped you in understanding yes no type questions in detail. If this video has helped you, please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel for all my videos. And with one more easy, interesting and useful video, I'd like to see you all the next time. Till then, bye.